so today we're going to talk to you about windshield repair and one thing in particular with windshield repair. We're going to talk to guys that actually do tint. So if you tint in cars, you want to listen in to this. A lot of people that tint cars, they don't do windshield repair. Some do, some don't, but majority of the guys, they don't do windshield repair. So what happens when they get ready to tint a vehicle, if it has damage in the windshield, due to the unstable properties of damaged glass, it can crack out. So what happens is that you have a heat gun when applying the tint. You know what I mean? The heat gets the cabin so hot and it can cause that damage in the windshield to spread and crack out. Well, now you tint the windshield, you tint the glass, and the windshield cracks out. Customer blames you, it's your fault. So a lot of times you see the damage ahead of time, you try to call a glass shop or you recommend that they go get their windshield repaired before you actually can do the tint because you don't want any problems from it actually potentially cracking out. So today we got our tint guru with us. We got Monique. She does all our tint shops and helps with our marketing, helps with our training and everything tint repair and windshield repair related. So Monique, give us some reasons on why tint shops should add on windshield repair.
Well, one, like you just said, we don't want any damage to spread. But another thing is a lot of tint shops that don't currently do it they sublet the work. Sometimes they're having to wait until the windshield repair guy is able to get into the shop. That could be a couple hours, that could be a couple days. Sometimes some of them don't have a go-to guy, so they tell the customer they have to go out, get it repaired, and come back. And a lot of times they don't come back. So you're saving yourself that kind of trouble. Windshield repair takes about 15-20 minutes versus waiting or sending someone out. And hoping that they return. So it takes 15-20 minutes and you can get right into tinting and go on about your day.
Yeah, so those are good points on why you should add windshield repair on. One, it doesn't take away from your existing business. It actually supplements your business. It helps you be that one-stop shop. You don't have to wait and have downtime to get the windshield repaired before you can before you can tint the windows. So you can go ahead and repair the windshield, tint the windows, and generate more revenue. Your cost and supplies is $1 per job when it comes to windshield repairs, and on that, the national average for a windshield repair is $65. So $1 in supplies, you make $65 on average. Easy money, easy process, is minimal to none of a learning curve. And if you do need training, we offer unlimited technical support. We have hands-on training in our factory in Oregon. We have a ton of different aids to help you get trained up. And also, Monique or I are willing to FaceTime with you and get you right and get you lined up with the process. So if you have any questions or any concerns about windshield repair or want to get started today, do not hesitate to hit us up. You can visit deltakits.com to see all the information of all the different systems that we offer. Or you can personally hit Monique up. Drop your info below, Monique. What's your info?
Okay, so you guys can either call me directly at 458-201-7281, or you can email me at mstearns@deltakits.com.
So there you have it. That's Monique's info. We'll drop it all in the description below. So hit us up if you have any questions, any concerns, or if you're ready to get started and generate more revenue with windshield repair. We're willing and ready and able to help you. So as we always say, repair, repair, repeat, and take care till next time.
Bye.